Alright, so it's a pretty nice day out there.
The contact part is actually going to be facing up.
It's in the 30s.
So just pushing it in and
Kind of clear sky.
you hear that little
Probably need to go out and do something.
Hey, good afternoon, YouTube team. So today on this video, for this episode, it's January the 14th, and I've been looking to try to find a drone to add to my to the channel so that maybe have some more cooler shots and stuff like that. So maybe we can grow this channel. So anyway, I've been doing some research and I didn't find anything local in my area, but Google is not a very good search tool here in Korea. So anyway, I thought I would go out and explore a little bit myself. So I've seen this place called the First Village. It's kind of close to me, and then I'm not too far from Suwon that has a big mall. And somebody had said they may be able to have some of that stuff there somewhere in my area. So nothing popped up on Google, so I thought I'd just go out and explore. So anyway, in this video, I went out and I explored First Village and the Lotte Mall in Suwon. So it's one of the ones, it's not too long, so hopefully you'll have a good time and you'll be able to learn something new. If you're interested in the Retona, I've got a real quick little blurb there on the Retona. And like I said, quick recon of First Village and the outlet store there. And then moving on out to Suwon, where I checked out the Lotte Mall. And a little bit about the parking here in Korea, which is a little bit different. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to click to subscribe and share with all your friends and get them to subscribe too. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Okay, so it is the 15th of January 2018, and I'm here at First Village. So you've got K2, Black Yank, and Millet, and North Base all here. And it looks like they're having some sales. I'm actually looking for a drone, so I'm going to go check out what is in that building. But it's pretty busy. I have people parked all the way down here. I guess this is all outdoor stuff. I thought that was a restaurant. It sure smells like food out here, but it's like everything is clothing. So let's go check out this store. Okay, so it is the 14th of January 2018, and I'm at North Base, and it looks like they're having a sale on some of this stuff. Here at First Village, so this stuff here is 60% off. So like this one, for instance, looks like it's down to 90,000. Okay, so here's one thing that I have learned in Korea. Besides things are a little bit more expensive than in the US or other places here in Asia, is that they also group everything together. Like this is indoors now, and you can see as I look around that it's all outdoor type stuff, it looks like. So to find some of the electronic places, I guess I'm going to have to go somewhere wherever they sell electronic stuff. So it's very crazy. Just like everything, I don't know if this is normal. This is my first time in a Korean like mall or anything like that. So maybe this is normal. I don't like how much people are in here. It is a Sunday. So it's pretty crazy. Okay, so it is the 14th of January 2018, and let's see, it is about 4 o'clock, and this is First Village outside of Suwon. It's kind of cool. So there's a lot of outdoor type stores over on that area, and then this area looks like it has some food and a 7-Eleven. So it's pretty cool. Busy. I had to park way out in the overflow, but you can see we've had some snow here the last few days. It's in the 30s today, so First Village is pretty popular. Got some pretty cool little Christmas stuff still up. Trees that are decorated. What I wanted to show you is right over here. Look right in there. It must be so cold that the fish are all hanging out together. They're all huddled up there. So there's not very much ice, but all the fish are right under there. They're all cuddled up. Boy, they glow. That might be a heater there. That might be a heater, so maybe that's why it's not freezing. And that's probably why they're right here. Makes sense. Okay, so I'm heading back. There's the fun little Retona. They had us park out here at KMP, So the first village is over there. Pretty cool little spot. 45 is right there. Village Dunpo, I think, is down that way. It's not quite full. Wonder who that guy is. Been riding that thing. Yay! I had my mirror pop off. I guess I better check and see the back mirror back here. See, they love to put these mirrors up here. I kind of hate them, so it doesn't break my heart, but I guess in the city they're nice because it does shine down here so you can see what's right there. And it's kind of been handy when I've got the bike on, so I don't know, maybe I'll consider putting it back on. So one of the things I did right after I bought this Retona was switch out the tires. One of the main reasons I did is to make it look a little more in proportion. I gotta back up so you can get it in here. So that the tires were pretty small and it was kind of felt roly-poly. So I put these little bit bigger tires on. It helps it look a lot better. But the best thing is look at the traction there. So they have a lot of siping here on the sides there, which is good on the ice. You can tell that it sheds out the snow real well because there's none stuck in there. Plus it's about freezing, but it definitely helps. It's pretty fun to drive on this stuff too. And the four-wheel drive, I'm having a ball. It's been a long time since I was able to drive in snow and in anything that's on four-wheel drive. So I've been having a blast here in Korea the last few weeks. Well, here I am, 5:42 at the Lotte Mall in Suwon, and I parked in A3 it looks like, and they got a polar bear on there. So there's the Retona. Not sure how this parking stuff works. I don't see any numbers, but there's a machine over there. Oh, maybe they... Huh. How does this work? So they have these machines, and of course it's all Korean. So I have no idea, high parking, if I'm supposed to get a ticket somewhere, or how do I know how to pay? Enter my vehicle number? Is that my license plate number? Do I need to know that? Maybe I better go take a picture of my license plate number. I made it inside of the Lotte Mall, and let's see, it's 5 stories high, and I have no idea where they might sell the drone, and I'm not sure where I can find an information booth